We often imagine independence as standing alone, but in truth, our lives are deeply connected. Every action we take ripples outward, shaping families, communities, and even strangers we may never meet. Solitude can be powerful, but connection is what gives solitude meaning. The phrase "no man is an island" comes from John Donne, a 17th-century English poet. His words remind us that each person is part of a greater whole, like a chapter in a book or a wave in the sea. Solitude helps us grow, but connection lets us share that growth. Think of the balance: quiet reflection in the morning, then laughter with friends in the evening. Alone time gives clarity, but togetherness gives joy. Community spirit in the UK is woven into everyday life. With over 170,000 registered charities, people come together to support food banks, local fetes, and neighborhood projects. These acts of collective care show that connection isn't abstract, it's practical, visible, and deeply human. Strong social ties are proven to improve health and resilience. In fact, studies show that people with close relationships live longer and report higher happiness. In the UK, even small initiatives like Happy to Chat benches encourage strangers to connect. A simple conversation can lift spirits, reduce loneliness, and remind us that we're part of something bigger. Britain itself is an island, but it has never lived in isolation. Trade, culture, and ideas flow constantly across borders, shaping who we are. From curry houses in Birmingham to jazz festivals in Glasgow, the UK thrives on exchange. The island metaphor reminds us that while geography may separate us, connection always finds a way to bridge the gap. Connection is joy. It's the laughter in pubs, the chants in football stadiums, and the warmth of a shared meal. These moments stitch ordinary days into memorable ones. In the UK, pubs aren't just about drinks, they're social hubs where friendships are made, stories are shared, and communities stay alive. Collaboration multiplies creativity. Think of the Beatles, Queen, or countless other UK bands whose genius came from working together. Alone we create, but together we innovate. Whether it's music, science, or community projects, collaboration shows that connection isn't just emotional, it's practical, sparking ideas that wouldn't exist in isolation. Technology collapses distance when life pulls us apart. A message, a call, or a group chat can keep relationships alive across miles. Over 90% of UK households have internet access, meaning families and friends stay linked even when they're apart. Digital connection may be different from face-to-face, but it still carries the power to remind us we belong. Support systems matter. Friends, family, neighbors, and services like the NHS form a safety net that keeps us steady. Asking for help isn't weakness, it's how we stay human. In the UK, community centres and local groups provide spaces where people can lean on each other, proving that connection is as much about support as it is about joy. Connection doesn't have to be grand. A check-in text, a shared walk, or 5 minutes of honest conversation can make a big difference. These small acts remind us that belonging isn't about scale, it's about intention. When we choose to connect, even briefly, we strengthen the invisible threads that tie us together. Balance is the key. Protect your alone time, then step back into the world with intention. Solitude brings self-discovery, while connection brings shared growth. Together they create a full life, one that is both reflective and vibrant. Fun is not frivolous, it's glue. Shared humor and play keep relationships flexible, making tough times easier to face together. Whether it's a pub quiz, a seaside holiday, or a silly joke between friends, fun is the spark that keeps connection alive. The UK's festivals and events show how joy builds community. From Glastonbury's music crowds to village fairs, people gather not just for entertainment but for belonging. These shared experiences remind us that connection is celebration. Workplaces thrive on collaboration. Teams that share ideas and support each other outperform those that isolate. In the UK, initiatives like flexible working and co-working spaces highlight how connection fuels productivity and creativity. Education is another example. Schools and universities are not just about learning facts, they're about building networks of peers, mentors, and communities. Lifelong friendships often begin in classrooms, proving that knowledge grows best when shared. Sports unite people across boundaries. Whether it's cheering for England in the World Cup or joining a local cricket club, sport is connection in motion. It's competition, yes, but also camaraderie, teamwork, and shared pride. Connection also means listening. In a fast-paced world, taking time to hear someone's story is powerful. In the UK, traditions like storytelling, poetry readings, and even pub conversations keeps this culture of listening alive. Connection can be healing. Support groups, counseling services, and community initiatives help people through difficult times. Knowing you're not alone can transform despair into hope and isolation into resilience. Even nature reminds us of connection. Rivers flow into seas, forests shelter countless species, and ecosystems thrive through balance. In the UK's landscapes, from the Lake District to the Scottish Highlands, we see that nothing flourishes in isolation. Connection is also about legacy. The traditions we pass down, the stories we tell, and the communities we build become part of the future. In Britain, heritage sites and cultural practices remind us that we are links in a chain. Let me leave you with a closing thought. No one thrives as a closed island. Build bridges, join, contribute, listen, and let yourself be part of the tide that carries us all. Value your solitude, but invest in your connections. We become wiser, kinder, and more alive when we belong to each other. I hope you enjoyed today's video. No man is an island. I would love to get a conversation started about how you might be reaching out to others. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Be happy. Be healthy. Live longer. Thank you.